Hi guys, thanks for joining me again today. Hope you're all keeping well. Hope you're all staying indoors, keeping your hands washed. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make this. It's a shirt, as you can see, and it can be used for Father's Day card it's a great quick card to make in school if you've forgotten somebody's birthday. So I'm going to ask Graham to put the camera down and I'll show you how I make it. Now what you need to do is, and the smallies probably will need a hand with this one, so mums or dads at the ready. So you take an A4 piece of paper, or whatever size piece of paper, can be made from any piece of paper really, and you fold it in half long ways. And the trick is to try and keep everything squared up like that. Then you open it up and you fold one side into the crease in the middle. Turn it around and fold the other one into the crease in the middle. Don't forget, you can stop the video if I'm going too fast. Then turn it upside down. We're going to make the collar. And the collar you turn back maybe a centimetre and a half. Back like that. Okay, and then turn it upside down and take this part here. You want to bring it out to the corner like that. Make a crease. These are going to make our sleeves, and you do the very same thing on the other side. Make your crease. Okay, then turn it upside down. You're going to bring this corner. You'll be tempted to bring it down like that, but don't. You need to bring it up as high as you can, here, like that, and make a crease. That's our collar. And then match the side by bringing it in there and making your crease. And then all that's left to do really is to bend it in half and tuck this piece in under our collar like that. Put your finger in there to make it flat. Like that. So now that's the shirt made. I'm going to sit down now and show you real quick how to decorate it. I'm going to use the Crayola markers, and I was in Tesco's getting my groceries this morning and I picked up this set. The 12 set of the Crayolas are reduced to $2.45 at the minute, so they're great value. Alright, so to make our shirt look nice, we can decorate it any way you like really. I like to put some buttons on it. So put one in the middle and leave a gap. Try and space them out evenly. That. We can put a pocket in it. Maybe two pockets in it. And then, you know, decorate the collar any way you like. So I'm going to make this one maybe pinstriped. This is the fun part. I like the decorating of it. And once you've learned how to make this shirt, honestly, you can make it anywhere. All you need is a scrap of paper really. We'll do the pocket to match. And then maybe put some pinstripes on the sleeve. I'm going to lift it up here. You can write a secret message in this card. I'll show you now in a second. We'll do this one. as you can see, because I'm rushing, I'm not making my pinstripes very evenly spaced, but you will. And again, ring your friends and have a challenge, see who can come up with the fanciest shirts. And then maybe we'll just colour the middle of the buttons in to match as well. That. And then, as I said to you, you can put a secret message. So what you do is, you just open up the shirt like this, and then write your message in here. Or Happy Father's Day, or whatever you need the card. But it's something, even if you forgot somebody's birthday in school, you can make this on your break time. So hope you give this a go. If you do, maybe post some photographs of what you've done onto the website, and I'll be able to have a look at them myself. See you again soon. Bye for now.